Imagine waking up just 14 days from now with a clearer mind, stronger discipline, and finally feeling in control of your life. It sounds impossible, but it isn't. You don't need a new year or endless motivation. You just need the next 2 weeks. Here's exactly how to reset your life. First, understand why 14 days works. Your brain adapts faster than you think. After around 2 weeks of consistent behavior, new actions begin to feel normal instead of forced. You won't become a completely different person, but you'll become someone who thinks differently. That's where lasting transformation begins. Days 1 to 3 are about removing before adding. No phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up. No social media before noon. Stop saying yes to things that drain your energy and stop eating without intention. You can't build discipline on top of constant distraction. Empty the cup first. Don't panic if you feel bored or restless. That's not failure. It's your brain withdrawing from years of cheap dopamine. The discomfort is proof the reset is working. Days 4 to 7 add only 3 habits. Own your morning, choose one priority that moves your life forward, or end every evening with a simple shutdown routine. Not 10 habits, just these 3. Soon the mental fog begins to lift. Days 8 to 11. Find your direction. Most people fix their schedule, but never their purpose. Ask yourself, what do I actually want when nobody's watching? That answer becomes the reason you keep showing up. By days 12 to 14, old ambitions return and forgotten goals resurface. You realize you didn't need motivation first. Showing up created it. You won't feel perfect, but you'll feel like someone who keeps promises to himself. The next 14 days will pass whether you change or not. Start today, and when you finish, comment 14 days complete. Your future isn't waiting for motivation. It's waiting for your first decision.